Hello and welcome to the YouTube channel for day 97. These are events that occurred on the 5th of December 2022. So I did my normal 45-minute walk with a 5-minute jog. Took Becky to school. We were late um, getting there, so that's something we have to work on to correct. And yesterday I did ACA sales. I had a training session with the gentleman because I had some sales. I had a sale on Friday, but I don't know what happened to it, and it's extremely complicated. Um, it's really interesting because um, I seen, like, with this phone system that they've got. I swear there was like only one other person answering calls, and there was like 35 people on hold, and I don't have any idea what I'm doing, you know. 35 people on hold and only one other agent. And sometimes those calls, with a customer can take, between 20 and 40 minutes. If we're going over plan details and enrolling them, it could take a little bit of time. So obviously people are not going to hang around for that long, but just the volume, they really need help. That's why, I basically kind of like half-hearted tendered my resignation because I've got too much. And there's a lot of things broken, and I said, hey, I kind of want to resign. It's like the only way I would really stay is if I have the flexibility to do this when I have time and to my tolerance, because you know it's extremely frustrating when you're getting these calls. People are angry and upset, and you know um, I'm flustered because I don't know what to do or how to handle it. Um, I know that if I was a customer and I was calling in, I would be very surprised and angry if the representative that I'm calling doesn't know their own job. Well, that's exactly what's going on. So with me, but there's no real. It's like they kind of know that we have to just throw you out there, and you'll pick it up. But there's really no well-defined training program. So that's it. It's good. I mean, you make a lot of money doing this, but it's extremely stressful because it's embarrassing. It's just frankly embarrassing and uncomfortable. So I'm working to overcome that. I think that I do a little bit more every day. I do a little bit more as far as calling goes. I will be fine. But I'm going to take this. I'm not going to be pressured, and I'm not going to. I'm going to be outside of my comfort zone because I think you learn more when you're outside your comfort zone. But I'm not going to be extremely outside the comfort zone because I've reached a certain point in my life where that's no longer necessary. It's too adverse for my health to do that. So um, somewhat outside my comfort zone is fine, but there's a limit. So um, I'm just going to just build up my, skill is what is it? They say skill um, is effort times reps, or knowledge times reps is skill. That's what I'm building. I'm building this skill to do this. So then I had a lot of solar business. Me and Gus, we had a customer and a lead. The customer wasn't really excited about it. He didn't really feel like he needed it. Gus said that he thought that was the worst presentation that he had ever given. Um, and he's tenacious, so he's not lost all hope that we can reach out to the customer. But it's probably not going to happen. We're not going to sell every customer, no matter how great of a product it is and how much it can help them. Some people just can't be reached or reasoned with. So um, we might just have to let him go. And then we had a business opportunity person um, that was very excited and agreed to join. So we have a couple of those people. So that's very encouraging. And maybe this is the time of year to focus on the building the team. So I really come to the realization that maybe I'm just going to do a little bit of the customer, but I'm going to focus mostly on building the team. And um, yeah, we just build the team, and uh, I think that'll be fun. That'll work out just great. And Gus made a lot of money but he did it all through personal production. He's just building his team for the very beginning. So excited, excited about it. People like the business opportunity. It's a great opportunity. So yeah, so that's that. Did a little bit of remote wellness academy. Um, like half a lesson, a little bit more than half of a training video that I've watched. It's a long one, but I also did some books, working some books a little bit, and that was it. I called it an early night because I had a lot from the calls, and then the ACA calls, and then the solar call. That's a lot. That's a lot of stuff. So anyway, that was my day for day 97, 5 December. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll talk to you again.